Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Make.com for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, what we need to do is go to Make.com and first create our account. So first thing here is you'll see the option that says get started for free. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you'll have multiple ways of actually creating your account. Now in this case, you could go ahead and use the manual here wherein you'll need to input your name, your email, your password, the country, and the hosting region as well. Now from here, just click on sign up for free. But we also have the option to sign up with Google and sign up with Facebook. Now in this case, if you use either of these methods here for Google or Facebook, you'll be able to basically link your account into your Make.com account. Now in this case, go ahead and just proceed with this one, and once you click on sign up for free, it's going to ask you or interview you for different questions, like for example, how do you want to use this, or what are the purposes, and if you have a team. Now in this case, those are pretty easy, but since I already have my account here, we're going to go ahead and sign in into my account through the usage of Google here. Let's go ahead and choose my account, and from here you should be able to log in into your Make.com account. Now, in this case, the first thing that we want to discuss here is what is Make.com. So, in Make.com, you could actually make very useful automations here. Like, for example, you're not knowledgeable with programming tools and you're looking for a way for you to basically automate some tasks that you have right now and basically streamlining all of the tasks and making it a lot easier for you. Now in this case, we have different ways for us to basically create automations. Now in Make.com, automations are called scenarios. So if you want to make automations, we need to create our scenarios. But before creating our first scenario here, first thing is we want to click on the template section here, because there's a lot of templates that we could use here to basically create automations. As you can see, we have Trello to Google Calendar. We also have Google Sheets to MailChimp and a lot more. Now in this case, you could go ahead and use these templates here if you want to, but if you want to make it from scratch, well, it's actually possible. So let's go back into our home here. Let's go ahead and click on templates or in the scenarios option here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to click on the create a scenario at the top right of your screen. And from here, what we need to do first is we first have to create a trigger. So a trigger is the start of the process. It's going to look out for different things. So it depends on your trigger. The trigger or the whole process will depend on that. So in this case, let's go ahead and add a trigger here. Now in this case, there's a lot of applications here. Like for example, if we're going to search for Trello, you'll be able to see an option here. For now, let me just search this one, Trello. You'll see Trello here. But in this case, what we need to do, or for this example, I'll be showing you to basically add a trigger for sending an email. And from there, another process, which is sending another email, will be started as well. Now in this case, I want to look for Outlook here. Let's go ahead and choose the Microsoft 365 email here. From here, we want to basically create and send a message. Now from here, we have the option to change the calendar here. So as you can see, it's by default set to at regular intervals. So you could go ahead and set that up. So if you want to set this to once every day, days of the week, days of the month, specified dates, or on demand, and which in this case it's going to be triggered whenever it is actually required. Now from here, just click on OK once done, and let's go ahead and configure our Microsoft 365 email here. So in this case, we have the add option here. Just click on save. So this this is the first time that you're using this, you are required to connect a specific email account, which in this case is going to be for Microsoft. Now choose your account for you to log in, and you should be able to connect that one. Now in here, we want to add our subject. So let's say we want to name this as email 1. Body content will be email 1 as well. Recipients will be a Gmail account that I have. So let's go ahead and enter our Gmail account here. So we also have the from section here. Let's go ahead and enter our Outlook account here. And here, let's go ahead and set our importance. So let's go ahead and click on low. And from here, let's go ahead and click on the OK at the bottom right of your screen. Now we need to add another node here, so go ahead and click on the add another module here. And from here, let's go ahead and choose the Microsoft 365 email again. And from here, let's go ahead and click on create and send again. Now, same thing, let's go ahead and fill out all these details that we have right now. So these are the details on our second module here. So it's named as Email2, importance is low, the email address here, and the from email address here. So let's go ahead and click on OK. And from here, if you want to start or to test your email here, let's go ahead and click on run once. And it's going to start the process. As you can see, successful. And when we go ahead and visit our email here, as you can see, this is the email 1. And afterwards, we should be able to see the email 2 right away. And from here, you can go ahead and just click on the scheduling here to enable this one. And from here, we could go ahead and go back to scenarios, and you'll be able to see your scenario here or your automation. So creating automations is really cool. You don't need any prior knowledge for web development or even on any kind of software. You could go ahead and just use it immediately and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan App. Thank you for watching.